Hi, I'm Dr. Prathap Addageethala, Clinic Director here at Atlas Chiropractic and Wellness in Indiranagar, Bangalore. The popping sound when a chiropractor performs an adjustment is similar to opening a can of soda. Basically, around every joint in the spine is a sac filled with fluid. Dissolved in that sac is a gas, nitrogen, which is released when the shape of the joint is changed, as in when the chiropractor performs his adjustment. As the gas is released, more of that fluid is pushed into the joint, creating a more optimal level of movement within the joint.